Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about switch case statement in C++ programming. The switch case statement is used to execute a block of code among a list of alternatives, and the block is selected based on the case value. And the syntax of the switch case statement is, first you have the switch keyword, and inside the parentheses we have the expression, and the expression will return one constant value, and the expression value is compared against all of the case value, and if any one of the case value is matched the expression value, then the corresponding block of code will be executed. And then we have the break statement, so the control will exit the entire switch case statement. But if none of the case values is matched the expression value, then the default block of code at the end will be executed. So in this example program we are taking the user input, the number between 1 to 5, and then we have used the switch case and we are printing the string representation of that number. So first of all we have created the integer variable number, and then we have prompted to enter a number between 1 to 5, and then we are taking the user input and we have stored that input in the variable number, and then we are using the switch case and we are switching based on the value of the number variable. So if any one of the case values is matched the value of the number variable, then the corresponding block of code will be executed and the string representation of that number will be printed. And then you have the break statement, so after execution of that block the control will exit the entire switch case statement. But if the user have entered a number greater than 5, then none of the case values will be matched. In that case the default block will be executed and the string invalid number will be printed. So now I'm gonna save this program and I'm gonna run the program. So first of all it says enter a number between 1 to 5, so I'm gonna enter the number 4, and you can see the string 4 has been printed, and we're gonna run it again, and this time we're gonna provide one different input which is greater than 5. So I'm gonna enter the value 7, and you can see it shows invalid number because the value of the number is 7, so it is not matched with any of the case values, and it has executed the default block and it has printed the string invalid number. So this way we can use the switch case statement and we can execute one block of code among a list of alternatives. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.